Solo 7.
Hey Earthlings, welcome back to another video. I am so excited to film this video because I'm going to show you the best hair mask I have ever used on my thin fine natural hair, which is this Bentonite clay. This is the first time that I'm trying it and I'm so excited. It did so many good things to my hair. My hair felt wonderful afterwards. Before we start with the video, I wanted to give a quick shout out to my products, the African print inspired printables. I have the Adinkra wall art and I also have the Kente planets. They are all available on my Etsy shop and also on my blog. Thank you very much for your consistent love and support. Now let's get straight into the video. Maybe some of you know or some of you do not know, but with Bentonite clay you cannot use metal utensils. This will oxidize the products. That's why it's advisable to use wood or plastic or something else. So I'm going to use this Bentonite clay that I got from Amazon. I will put the link down below. So Bentonite clay is known to remove toxins, dead skin cells, and remove also build up from your hair. Bentonite clay is really high in minerals and it also adds shine to your hair. Bentonite clay also have a lot of good things to it that I cannot mention everything in this video, so I have decided to write a blog post about it on my blog, so you should go ahead and check it out. I'll also put the link down below. I will also add apple cider vinegar for its cleansing property, and I'm going to add a few carrier oils to it, like olive oil and castor oil. I will also add argan oil, which is at the moment my favorite oil. I am really enjoying this oil because it makes my hair so soft and smooth. It adds a lot of shine to my hair and it makes my hair also manageable. And as usual, I will add my rosemary essential oil and also my tea tree essential oil. I couldn't find my peppermint essential oil, but I think later on I found it and I added it to it. I kind of eyeballed all my ingredients, the amount that I use, because the Bentonite it's my first time using it, so I didn't have set measurements to use. I used about 5 spoons of the Bentonite clay, and I used about 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. I added about 1 full tablespoon of olive oil, and I also added about 1 full tablespoon of my castor oil. For the essential oils, I used about 10 drops of each essential oil. After mixing it all up, I add water to it. For the water, it's really, you have to have the feeling with it. I add just a bit to start with, then I kept on adding until I get the right texture that I want for my hair, until I get the right texture that I wanted for my hair. At this point, you have to go on and stir and make it as smooth as possible, because it will make the application really easy when you make it as smooth as possible. So really take the time and mix it really well. As you can see, my hair is really dry and it's looking really dull. It's not shiny at all. So yeah, I thought my hair needed a good treatment, and I decided to try this treatment out. As usual, I separate my hair into 4 sections, and I went ahead and spritzed my hair with a bit of warm water just to make it damp. And warm water also helped to open my cuticles so that my hair actually absorbs the clay really well. And also the water help makes the application really easy. So I tried to work in even little more sections because I wanted to get the Bentonite clay everywhere on my hair and on my scalp. Later on in this clip, you will see that I was massaging my scalp with the Bentonite clay because I wanted it to remove all the toxins and all the dead skin cells on my scalp. Also, I just wanted to cleanse my hair and my scalp totally. After the application, I covered my hair for about an hour. I think the minimum amount is about around 30 minutes, but I was busy, so I covered it for about an hour, and then I went ahead and washed the clay out. I covered it first with serum rub so that I keep everything really clean, because this process can get pretty messy, if you can already see from the clips. And afterwards, I went on top of it with my aluminium hair cup, which looks pretty funny. So an hour later, I jumped into the shower, and first of all, I let the water run down my hair by itself, and after a while, I went in gently with my fingers to massage the product out of my hair. This took me in total about 30 minutes to like really get everything out of my hair. At this point, I was noticing how soft my hair is feeling and how well cleansed it was feeling. I was pretty surprised with the results. My hair felt really nice and strong. It felt soft at the same time. It felt shiny. It looks healthy, and my curls were also popping. I don't think my hair has ever felt this before after using a hair mask, so I was really amazed. This product is definitely going to be a part of my hair regimen from now on going. I just have to figure out how many times I have to use it in a month and all those things. So yeah, this is my favorite hair mask at this point. Let me know if you have ever used bentonite clay on your hair before. How did it work for you? Are you going to use it again? And how do you use it? Are there even more better way to benefit from this clay? Let me know. And if you want to know more in-depth information about this clay, you should definitely check out my blog post. I wrote an in-depth blog post about it with more information, and I'll put it on my blog. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.